so happy for you, first of all, that you want to register with UBC and finally start doing what you really, really wanted to do for probably many years now. So anyways, I'm here to guide you how to sign up through UBC. And again, everything with UBC is complicated. You already know that, right? So we even have to guide you step by step how to register and how to sign up with them. So this is what I'm going to do right now. It takes us maybe 2 minutes to get through this. Now you will receive a big package. You'll get those crazy books with UBC, which you'll never ever hopefully touch them because we won't let you. That's how it usually works with us. Only the instructors go through this pain, right? But let's sign up. Let's get that student number. Let's get those books. So go to Google's, put the Sauter School of Business will come up in there for you. Well, I usually go straight up to the Sauter site. I mean, it knows me, right? Then you're gonna choose the program. Go to Real Estate Division, and there's gonna be a licensing and registration courses right here. So click on that. Now, you do wanna get your license in British Columbia, hopefully, right? So that we can actually help you. So click on BC. And this is where you're going to be choosing your course. So again, it depends what you're planning to do. So if you're doing real estate, you buy and sell, real estate trading services. If you're going to do property management, rental, then that's going to be your license. If you're going to do a strata to manage the strata condominiums and townhouses, that will be your license. And for my mortgage people, at this point, you're still going to click on real estate trading services. So let's do this. Everybody can click on the same link right now. Doesn't matter. Then what will happen, again, supplemental is for the students who already have at least one license already. So if I had a real estate license, I want to get a mortgage now, I would click on supplemental. But at this point, we're just going to go straight up to the register. And again, everybody clicks on the same. Okay, so now this is where you have the two choices. One of them is a supplemental that is too early for you. Get the first license, then you get the second one for $775. But right now we're gonna go for the first one. So click on 1150. That's gonna be your link, and this is where it's gonna separate you guys on depends on the license you want to do. So again, if you're planning to do real estate, strata, or property management, you click on the licensing courses. And if you're doing the mortgage exam, then yes, you're going to click on that mortgage courses online registration. So, and it's just going to be exact same on every single page, whatever you click on. Okay, so I'm just going to pretend I'm doing real estate. So I'm going to click on licensing courses. Right, so here, this is where you have to fill up the information. Have you ever been registered with UBC? If you haven't, click no. If you've been before, put that student number. Hopefully you can find it on your emails. But for brand new people, no to pretty much everything. No and no, because you don't have your student number. You've never been licensed before. Put your first name, put your last name. Okay, so the address, make sure when you put your address, it has to be your home address where you're going to receive your books, okay? Because they will send those ones to you. I mean, my students find a very good use for them. You know, they use them as a door stopper. They use them as a fire, you know, like some stuff. So I'm sure you'll find some use for them, but not for study. So CD, postal code, all that stuff. Now, the home number, date of birth. Watch out for this one because that's going to be your login information. Make sure that you know your birthday and plug in the right numbers in there. And the email address. Again, that's the one that you will be signing up with. Now, one more thing actually about the last names. Now, for the girls, because they get married and they change last names, make sure you put the last name that is on your driving license or the ID. You're going to take it with you for the exams, because if it does not match, they're not going to take you to the exam, and it gives a lot of people headaches, right? So just make sure that you're careful on that. What else? Okay, so this is where you're going to choose your course again. So mortgage people would be on a separate page, and you're only going to have mortgage supplemental and mortgage full course. Now this is for real estate, so I'm pretending I'm doing real estate right now. So I'm going to click on the full course, 1150. Supplemental, nobody touches yet. Okay, same thing from property management or the strata one. So pick your course in here, and after you pick the course, okay, only for the real estate and mortgage, they will ask you if you need the calculator. I would buy it through Staples, it's cheaper, or Amazon, it's even better, right? And then choose for personal use and development. Nobody needs to know what you do that course for, right? None of their business. And then click on all of the red stuff, and then on the next page, it will take you to the actual credit card information, right? So that's when you're gonna fill up. Now, when you're gonna pay them, if you pay them in the mornings before 12 p.m., before 12 p.m., then you're gonna get your student number pretty much the same date. Now, UBC is not open on Saturday, Sunday, so don't try to get anything from them on those days, right? But if you register with them after 12 p.m., then you'll get your student number the next date. Now, this is what we will need. So again, if you're gonna go through the GOBC program, we'll ask you for the UBC student number. Okay, we need to have it for the files. So the office, you'll send that to them, and then we'll give you the online access that you can actually use only with GOBC. Okay, so that's it. So this is how you register. There's nothing else for you to worry at this point. Again, all these packages, you don't have to bring them to the classes. I've seen it a couple of times. Please don't waste your time and your muscles, because they are pretty heavy. I can't even lift them up, to be honest, right? I need 2 hands. But again, don't use this, but you will receive them by default. Okay, and then all we need from them is a student number, and that's it. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.